Hi everyone, and welcome to Learn with Confidence, your favorite place to improve your English skills. In today's video, we're going to learn English through short conversations that you can use every day. These simple dialogues will help you sound more natural and fluent. Let's jump in. 1. Greeting and asking how someone is. This is one of the most common conversations you'll have with anyone. You. Hi, how are you? A friend. I'm good, thank you. How about you? You. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Simple and friendly greetings are a great way to start any conversation. 2. Asking for directions. Getting lost can happen, but knowing how to ask for directions will help. You. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the library? A stranger. Sure, go straight and take the first left. It's right there. You. Thanks a lot. Asking for directions is an essential skill, especially when traveling. 3. Ordering food at a restaurant. When you're eating out, it's important to know how to order food. You. Hi, I'd like to order a pizza, please. A waiter. Sure. What kind of pizza would you like? You. I'll have a margarita pizza, please. Waiter. Great choice. Your order will be ready shortly. This is a common scenario where short and clear sentences help a lot. 4. Talking about the weather. Talking about the weather is an easy way to start small talk. You. It's really hot today, isn't it? A friend. Yes, it's a sunny day. Perfect for a walk. You. I agree. Let's go for a walk after lunch. Discussing the weather is an excellent way to practice casual conversation. 5. Asking for help. Sometimes we all need help, and it's good to know how to ask. You. Excuse me, could you help me with this? Stranger. Of course. What do you need help with? You. I'm trying to understand this map. Stranger. Let me show you. It's easy once you get the hang of it. Being polite and direct helps in these situations. 6. Making plans with a friend. It's always nice to make plans with friends, and knowing how to do that is useful. You. Do you want to go to the movies this weekend? A friend. Yes, I'd love to. What movie are we watching? You. How about the new action movie? It looks great. Friend. Perfect. I can't wait. Making plans is a great way to practice natural, everyday conversation. 7. Asking for prices. When shopping, knowing how to ask for prices is really helpful. You. How much is this shirt? Salesperson. It's $25. You. Great, I'll take it. Salesperson. Would you like to pay by card or cash? Shopping and talking about prices are common everyday conversations. 8. Saying goodbye. Saying goodbye is a polite way to end any conversation. You. It was great seeing you. Take care. Friend. You too. See you soon. You. See you later. Ending a conversation politely leaves a positive impression. 9. Asking about someone's day. Checking in with someone and asking about their day is a great way to show interest. You. How was your day? Friend. It was good. I worked all day, but I'm glad it's over. You. That sounds nice. What are you doing after work? A friend. Just relaxing at home. This short conversation helps you connect with people and practice your speaking skills. 10. Offering help. It's always nice to offer help when needed. You. Do you need any help with those bags? Stranger. Oh, yes, thank you so much. You. No problem, let me help you carry them. Offering help is a simple but polite way to engage with others. And that's it for today's lesson on learning English with short conversations. These conversations are easy to remember and can be used in real-life situations. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in speaking English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can join us for more fun and easy English lessons. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.